Let's wrap up by talking about some instructional strategies for using Listenwise in 3 easy steps. We recommend listening once a week in order to integrate listening practice into your routine, and our current events make that easy. We have weekly themes like Debate Friday, and you can plan to use those weekly. If you're not sure which podcast to pick first, here are a few suggestions. Try a weird news story. These are 30-second quirky stories that are engaging and popular bell ringers. We publish a news story every Thursday. Or try assigning a quiz if you want students to do an independent listening activity. We post one with every Wednesday's current event, or you can find them on most of our Gen Ed lessons. If you're browsing the library, keep an eye out for the green quiz icon. Here are 3 ways to get started with Listenwise. Keep it simple and listen together as a class. With the built-in questions, it's easy to spark a class discussion. We also have ready-made activities for students. Use the scavenger hunt to let students explore Listenwise on their own. Or use our calendar of podcast suggestions to celebrate the holidays throughout the school year. Both of these docs are linked below if you want to use them with your students. If you need more help or have other questions, there's a blue widget on your dashboard that will guide you through the key pieces of getting started with Listenwise. Or you can explore our support center for how-tos and more instructional ideas. And you can always email us. We're here to help at support@listenwise.com. Thanks for joining me today and happy listening.